Hello students, I hope all of you are fine and you are studying also regularly. I have started your half yearly course, that is acid, bases and salts. I told you about indicators. Now today I am going to start acids, bases and other part of this chapter. So first of all, acids. Now lemon or turmeric, that is imli, raw mango, raw grapes, orange, curd, sour milk, vinegar, these things you have tasted, I think. So most of you have tasted these substances, as I told you, mentioned you. These substances, after testing, what did you get the experience? All the substances, whatever I told, this have sour taste, isn't it? So these substances, actually these contain some acids. So you got the test sour. Now come to the definition of acids. A substance which reacts with a base to form a salt and water is called an acid. So a substance when reacts with a base and forms salt and water, that substance is called acid. Properties of acid. The properties of acids are: acids have sour taste, acids turn blue litmus red, acids conduct electricity when dissolved in water. Actually, all acids are soluble in water, and when acids are dissolved in water, they carry electricity through them. Acids are corrosive. Corrosive means when we touch a strong acid, like when we are working in laboratory, we get some strong acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. You have heard about these names. So these acids, when we touch with our hand burns. We have the burning sensation. So if we touch it, or if this acid falls on our hand, then what happens? Our hand will burn also. It is very corrosive. It is corrosive to the metals also. When metals, these acids falls any metal utensil, then eats up the metals present in the utensils. So it is told that acids are corrosive, means harmful in a sense. Examples of acids like acetic acid, citric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. These are some common examples of acids. Next is type of acid. Types of acids: organic acid and mineral acids. There are two types of acids. First is organic acid. What are organic acids? Organic acids are naturally occurring acids which are obtained from living things like plants and animals. These organic acids are obtained from plants and animals. These organic acids are the compound of carbon. Okay? Organic acids are weak acids. That means organic acids we can drink, we can use less corrosive. These are less corrosive. It is not harmful to eat or drink substances containing organic acids in them. For example, acetic acid. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Vinegar we are drinking, that means we are using in our food items, in some of the food items to make: formic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, ascorbic acid, oxalic acid. These acids are all organic acids and less harmful. We can eat or drink these acids. So, formic acid is present in the ant sting. Citric acid is present in all lemon fruits, like lemon or orange. This lactic acid is present in curd and in sour milk. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind or imli, or unripe grapes and unripe mangoes. Ascorbic acid is present in amla and other citrus fruit such as lemons and oranges. Ascorbic acid is commonly known as vitamin C. That means the fruits which contains vitamin C contains ascorbic acid. Okay. Oxalic acid is present in spinach, that is palak, like that. Next type of acid is mineral acids. Mineral acids are the acids prepared from minerals of the earth is called mineral acids. These mineral acids are prepared in laboratories. These are artificial acids. Mineral acids are also called laboratory acids because these are prepared in laboratories and mainly used in laboratories. Concentrated mineral acids are very dangerous because concentrated mineral acids are highly corrosive, and as we are using these acids in laboratory, we have to be very careful while handling these acids. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid. Although carbonic acid is a weak acid, but it is a mineral acid. So carbonic acid is the only mineral acid which is weak acid. Now, strength of acids. As I told you, acids, some are corrosive and some are less corrosive. So, on the basis of that, acids again can be divided into two parts, that is strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids are highly corrosive and these are harmful. So, strong acids such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. That means all the mineral acids are strong acids. Strong acids are harmful, very harmful. Weak acids examples are acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid. These all are organic acids. From this we can understand that all organic acids are less harmful. We can drink or eat them. These do not harm us. Carbonic acid is a mineral acid, only mineral acid which is weak acid. That means acid rain. You must have heard about acid rain. And acid rain is damaging the shine of Taj Mahal. These are common things you may heard about it, or you have seen in internet or news also. So what is this acid rain? The rain which contains a higher level of acid than normal is called acid rain. Actually, we have heard that rainwater is the purest form of water, but nowadays the air or the atmosphere has become so polluted that no place can be obtained where there is no pollution, no air pollution is there. Pollution means presence of some pollutant in the air. So acid rain is caused by such kind of pollutants which is present in air. So acid rain is mainly caused by the acidic gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide, which are released into the air as pollutants during the burning of fuels. Burning of fuels produces these acidic gases which remains in the atmosphere. When it rains, the rainwater dissolves all these acidic gases. When rainwater dissolves acidic gas sulfur dioxide, it forms sulfuric acid. When rain water dissolves or combines with nitrogen dioxide, it forms nitric acid. And as well as when rainwater combines with carbon dioxide, it produces carbonic acid. And these acids comes along with rainwater and makes the rainwater acidic. This is called acid rain, and this is how acid rain is produced. Acid rain is very harmful. Acid rain causes damage to aquatic animals. Rain containing acid, when falls in the rivers, ponds or oceans, seas, then this acid harms the aquatic animals like fishes and other animals present in the water bodies and kill them. Acid rain eats up the leaves of the trees gradually. By losing leaves, the trees die. Acid rain also damages crop plant in the fields. Acid rain damages the metal structures like steel bridges, etc. because acid reacts with metals, as I have already mentioned, and eats up this acid metals. Acid rain damages the structures of surfaces of buildings and monuments made of stones. For example, it is damaging the shine of Taj Mahal. Because of this acid rain, the acid present in the rain, this acid reacts with the stones and